Alerts are a great way to stay in the loop about what's going on with your device. Let me show you how to set them up. Go to Alerts and then click Change Alert Settings. From here, you can choose whether you want alerts for all devices of a certain type, or just one specific device. Keep in mind that not all alerts apply to every type of tracker. For devices that are hardwired or plugged into the OBD port, we recommend turning on the Power Disconnect alert. This will notify you right away if the device loses power for any reason. For battery operated devices, we recommend turning on the low battery alert. You can choose the battery percentage that will trigger the alert, and we suggest setting it at 20%. You can also enable the 48 hours no update alert, which will notify you if the device hasn't checked in at all within the last 2 days. If you want to receive a geofence alert, make sure you've created your geofence first. The system can only alert you if that geofence already exists. Once you've selected everything you need, click Submit to save your alert settings. Next, let's make sure the alerts actually reach you. Click Alert Contacts. You can add your email by typing it in and clicking Add Email, or you can add your phone number. Select your carrier and click Add Phone Number. Once they're successfully added, you'll see them appear in the list above. You should start receiving your email and text alerts shortly. If you have any questions or if you'd like our team to set this up for you, please reach out anytime at 800-578-1809 or support@gpsandtrack.com. We're always happy to help.